来为各位示范如何在车机里面将这个 DTS 的音效给打开。那我们一样将总选单给划出来。那一样在系统设定里面有一个声音，声音里面这里就有 DTS 的立体音效。那我们先来听一个没有 DTS 的音效的状态。
Even at idle or in AV mode, preventing fogging and enhancing cabin comfort. The braking system has been upgraded to
那这时候我们将 DTS 给打开。打开之后呢，正常人声增强跟低频补偿都是被关掉的。这时候我们将全域的选项都给打开。那我们同时来听一下音效的差异，等一下会进行切换。
Electronic brake assist, replacing traditional vacuum boosters. It offers adjustable feedback and a comfort braking mode, reducing nose diving and making every smoother and more reassuring. This is the E-compressor.
这就是 DTS 立体音效在有声音补偿跟没有补偿状况之下的差异。